Oh. He literally is the train? Oh my god, so they really teased us about the train actually being a living thing, and it became a living thing. Dude, that is such a crazy concept. How do you beat a train? Oh! There he is! Let's go! Let's go, dude! Let's go! He's still in the dream! Explosive awakening! Let's go! Lord in his skin, let's go! That's how it's real now! Yeah, yeah, they teased us and it became true! Total stud. Damn straight. Damn straight! Let's go! Fifth Fang? Whoa! Let's go! Let's go! Lord Inosuke, let's go! Woohoo! Let's go! Ooh, it's taking over the whole train now. Like, I know it already did, but like seeing it actually manifest the whole train. Whoa! I really wonder what the tactic is going to be to defeat this demon. The fights and how they orchestrate them is always so fascinating to watch unfold. Nezuko grew to normal size. He's gonna help. Let's go! Let's go! Nezuko! Dude, I love Nezuko so much. She's such a badass. Oh no! Oh no! Oh, this is not good. Oh, Zenitsu's gonna save her! Let's go, dude! Zenitsu! Let's go! That's so badass! Oh, the lightning! Oh my god, that was so good! Oh my god! Thunderclap and Flash! Let's go, dude! Oh, the hype is here! This is amazing! He's still asleep! He just knew she was in trouble? That's incredible. Oh, it's Rengoku. Yes, I see his eyeballs. They're open. Whoa! Oh, dude, the animation is wild. Hot damn! What an entrance, though. I thought he was gonna say more. Ooh, what is the head of the train? Now that's intriguing. Dude, Rengoku. Oof. Oh, so he talked to Rengoku too? So he's already on the same page. That's great. Oh, what is it? Damn. So has this guy been out of the loop on the whole situation? Oh, it really is, because it's really trying to protect it. Gross. What a reaction. Oh no. Oh Oh, we really pissed him off. Yeah, he's still living the dream, man. Let him live it. Whoa. What is that? Oh. That is crazy. Oh man. This is where stuff's gonna get crazy. Whoa. Now this is gonna take some synchronization. Whoa. Oh no. Wow, very good time to say that. He's gonna have to fight with his eyes closed? Is that what this is gonna go? Oh, damn. How is he gonna do this? No, 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 no. You almost just, yeah, do not kill yourself. Yes, dude, you were starting to get tricked. Oh my god. Oh my god. Dude, he's the MVP. Oh, so he's not getting sucked in because of the mask. That makes sense. Oh no, the driver was on his side. The dream. He wanted a dream too. So he was a part of the whole deal. Damn though, he just stabbed Tanjiro. Dude, the animation is incredible, dude. Tanjiro and Isuke fighting together. Oh, I love this so much. This is so badass. Ooh, it's exposed, Tanjiro! He's doing it! He's doing it! Whoa! He did it! Whoa! Rengoku did that in an instant! Oh god. I mean, I'm so happy he's concerned. He's thinking about the guy who stabbed him and what that's gonna make him if Tanjiro... Dude, Tanjiro's thinking about everybody else except for himself, man. That is insane. But now we've derailed the Mugen Train. We sliced off the head, right? So does that mean that we're good? Is that it? I feel like there's still a lot of movie left. Santaro! No! Oh no! Cool, huh? I'm so happy he's like looking out for Tanjiro. Oh, it's too early to tell, man. No. No, it is not. Yes, but his reasoning for stabbing is a lot different. Okay? Yeah, you know, a stomach stab for a crushed leg, you know? Yeah. I like it's just subtle things like this, but it really does show that he respects Tanjiro a lot, even though it's like played off a lot differently. I really like Inosuke's character development. It's really good. Oh no, it's still. Oh no, it is disintegrating. I thought we were about to have like a phase 3. Oh, so sad. Are we gonna humanize this demon now? Make us feel bad for killing it like every other one? I can't feel bad about it though. Please don't tell me that. Okay, good. I thought they were putting emphasis on Rengoku, like he was gonna do something to him as like a final act before he disintegrated. But he's going down the list. Zenitsu, Nezuko. Yeah, you dealt with a crazy group. Nah. No. Man, he's so badass. This is the one demon that I don't feel bad about dying right now. But that could change. Ooh, they're teasing us with silhouettes of demons we're gonna see later. Damn. Alright. It's dead. It has to be. Okay. We taking care of the demons. The compliment. Wow, he's already training him. Like, this is crazy. This is insane. This is like a real thing. Dude, this is wild. Dude, breathing in this world does a lot. God, Rengoku is such... Dude, their chemistry is gonna be real good. Oh no, no way. What now? Oh, isn't this one of the uppers that we just saw in the silhouette? There's... Oh, no. Upper 3! What are you doing here? Oh my god. Of course, I thought that there was still a lot of the movie left when I looked at the time. So this explains a lot. Whoa! Damn! And he's also got the same blue outlines as the slasher as well. Oh god, this is crazy. And now we're fighting an upper. This is just escalated. No wonder they were putting so much emphasis on the fact that like they were so much better than the one that we just killed. Oh, there's an actual aura? The realm of the highest. Huh? Interesting. Interesting. He protected, wow. Nezuko. Oh. Wow. I mean, I knew that was, you know, his stance and he was going to keep it. But I imagine we're about to fight now, and this is going to be insane. Technique development. Destructive Death Compass Needle. The soundtrack just has me so entranced. I don't like that. Woo! Dude, the animation picked up. The fluidness of the movements is so beautiful. They're fighting so fast. Wow. Wow. What are these powers, man? This has me so intrigued to meet the other upper. The concept for the blood demon magic in this show is insanely well done. Ooh, the fourth form! Blooming flame. Whoa! Dude, the soundtrack for this movie has been nothing but crazy. Oh! Oh man. I'm sorry I'm not talking. I'm just so sucked into the movie right now. Oh my god, this is insane! Just the power scaling that we're seeing in this one episode is insane! Blazing universe? That's so cool! God, Rengoku's so badass! Oh. Man, yeah, like the power scaling is so crazy. I'm so happy that you realize this though. This makes complete sense. This sucks though. Being so helpless. You can't do anything. This is such a beautiful fight though. Oh! Oh no! Man, this guy is quick! Oh no! I can already tell where this fight's going. I don't like this! Fifth form? Flame Tiger! Disorder! Whoa! No! I don't think that he's gonna win this. No. Oh, I don't like this. As soon as I realized what this guy was, I knew that. And every hit. Yeah. It's just the obvious difference in the fight. I knew this wasn't gonna go well. Whoa! What just happened? Oh! Esoteric art! The animation is beautiful. Oh my gosh. It's named after himself? Did that work? Did that work? Oh.
死んでしまうぞ教授の鬼になれと言えお前は選ばれし強き者なのだ
Oh no. He's about to die.
教授のはい母上
Oh, this is a light flashing before the eyes moment.
なぜ自分が人よりも強く生まれたのかわかりますか弱き人を助けるためです生まれついて人よりも多くの才に恵まれた者はその力を世のため人のために使わねばなりません、天から賜りし力で人を傷つけること
Wow, he was taught some very, very good moral stances when he was young.
あとは頼みます
Oh, he is so amazing, man. Oh god. I'm so scared. Like, I don't think Rengoku's walking away from this. Oh my god! Oh! Oh no! Rengoku! His blade ripped off! It's stuck in his neck! Oh no, he's gonna get away! Ah! There's no winning! Wait a minute. No way! Whoa! Oh.
何を言ってるんだあのガキは脳みそが頭に詰まってないのか俺はお前らから逃げてるんじゃない太陽から逃げてるんだあいつは間もなく力尽きて死ぬ
Oh, man. He spit so much truth right there. But Rengoku ain't gonna survive that entry.
そんなに叫ぶんじゃない。こっちにおいで。最後に少し話をしよう。俺のせいか。煉獄家に行ってみるといい。歴代の縁柱が残した手記があるはずだ。父はよくそれを読んでいたが、俺は読まなかったから内容がわからない。君が言っていた日の神神楽について何か記されているかもしれない。
Now he's gonna bleed out because the hand disintegrated. Oh no!
喋れるうちに喋ってしまうから聞いてくれ。弟の千次郎には自分の心のまま正しいと思う道を進むように伝えてほしい。
Fuck.
それからかまど少年、俺は君の妹を信じる。鬼殺隊の一員として認める。命を懸けて鬼と戦い人を守る者は誰が何と言おうと鬼殺隊の一員だ。胸を張って生きろ。
Man. Ah.
俺がここで死ぬことは気にするな。柱ならば後輩の盾となるのは当然だ。
He is such a great person. Oh my god.
もっともっと成長しろ。そして今度は君たちが鬼殺隊を支える柱となるのだ。俺は信じる。君たちを。
Oh, this. I didn't want him to die. I thought we were gonna have him so long. We just met him. And I already am so sad that he's dying. Oh, his mother. Oh, no.
母上、俺はちゃんとやれただろうか。やるべきこと、果たすべきことを全うできましたか。
立派にできましたよ。
Oh, he's dying happy, you know. There's no better way to die. Yeah, as morbid as that sounds. No, he died with a smile on his face. Oh.
悔しいな。何か一つできるようになってもまたすぐ目の前に分厚い壁があるんだ。すごい人はもっとずっと先のところで戦っているのに、俺はまだそこに行けない。こんなところでつまずいているような俺は煉獄さんみたいになれるのかな。
Oh man.
弱気なこと言ってんじゃねえ。なれるかなれねえかなんてくだらねえこと言うんじゃねえ。信じると言われたならそれに応えること以外考えんじゃねえ。死んだ生き物は死に返るだけなんだよ。ベソベソしたって戻ってきやしないんだよ。悔しくても楽じゃねえ。どんなに惨めでも恥ずかしくても生きてかなきゃならねえんだぞ。
Inosuke is being the one to say that. Made me feel so sad. Oh my god. I did not expect this movie to end the way it has. Oh my god. Even the crow is crying, man.
そうですか。煉獄さんが。
Shihira's all hearing the news. Are they training together? Oh man, a lot of them are now gonna have a lot of, like, a lot more personal feelings invested in future demon slaying now.
200人の乗客は一人として死ななかったか。京次郎は頑張ったんだね。すごい子だ。寂しくはないよ。私ももう長くは生きられない。
Interesting.
近いうちに京次郎やみんなのいる
I want to
黄
learn
泉
more
の
about
国
you,
へ
though.
行くだろうから。
There's so many interesting things about you. I want to know.
煉獄さん、煉獄さん、煉獄さん。
What an ending. Oh my god. That was so much more than I could have ever expected out of this movie. Oh my god. Well, we made it. Demon Slayer Mugen Train. That movie, like I just said, was so much more than I could have ever expected it to be. I loved everything about this movie from start to finish. It was so perfectly well done. The animation was absolutely incredible. And the way that the dreams were incorporated into the whole plot of the movie and how that worked with all of our characters, it just was so good. I will say though, the one thing I'm most surprised about is, I mean, I'm also not upset with the fact that Inosuke's dream was like probably the most funny one out of all of them. I'm just surprised they didn't use that as a moment to kind of subconsciously unlock his memories, because we did just get teased about his potential mother in season 1 in his near-death moment. And I thought maybe they were going to expand upon that, because he's curious about his own backstory, I'm sure. So it's like, I don't know. I think that the way that it was done, everything made sense. Everything was extremely well done. Nezuko being the badass she is from start to finish, her like essentially being able to like fully control her magic now. And she like just like burning everything, the way that she helped Tanjiro wake up, everything was incredible. And then when she was stuck and about to like be in a bad situation, unconscious and still in deep sleep, Zenitsu saved her life. And then obviously they fought side by side, as we saw. Insanely well done, so cool. Zenitsu is such a badass. That seeing Inosuke and Tanjiro work together to take care of the train, that was insane. Everything was just so well done. The fact that they teased us with the train being like the monster and then it became the monster was really good too. I didn't know that you could merge with that with a train, but maybe that's just the magic that he had, or maybe all demons could do that, or I don't know. That was just a very unique concept and it was very well done. And then really one of the biggest things that they showed us this movie, hands down, was power scaling between everybody. Just showing the difference between the lower and the upper. And then all the Demon Slayers up to Rengoku there. Like the difference in skill and power and everything is just so blatant. And then once the fight began with Rengoku and Akaza, I think his name was, I knew that it just was going to be bad, because Rengoku was getting hurt while the demon had no issue, and I was like, this is not going to be a happy ending, isn't it? I thought everything was so good, and then an upper shows up, especially right after the dying lower was just saying like, there's got to be a huge difference then, because if what I was capable of wasn't enough, what are they capable of? And even Tanjiro had that. And one of the big selling points at the end of this movie was that you are kind of soft locked behind this growth that you're capable of. but you won't be as strong as a demon unless you become a demon. And now, this makes me really think that this might be something that happens in the future. Because if that is true, then there will be a limit that Tanjiro can hit, but he won't be able to surpass. And if these demons have been alive for hundreds of years, training and honing their abilities, what is somebody in one lifetime going to do and be capable of that they can't handle? That was proven with the fight against Rengoku. I do not believe Rengoku would have won that fight even if it played out. I believe the only way he would have actually won the fight is if the sun actually finished rising and he did get caught in the sun. I believe that if it would have been night for the whole fight and it actually would have played out to completion, Rengoku would have died either way. And I believe that this is solidifying a point that there will be a point that we will have to become a demon. And I don't know if that's a far-fetched, but I feel like something... The way that the demon talked about it and the way that they put so much emphasis on that, it really makes me feel like that is something that is going to be a plot point. Like, I got so hung up on that amongst everything else, the way that he was addressing Rengoku about that. And how he was talking about how humans are behind that. And while yes, Tanjiro did try to retort and kind of flip everything that was said on him as he was fleeing from the sun, you can't deny the truth there. Muzan has been alive for hundreds of years, devouring I don't know how many people. The strength, the difference between him and Muzan is way too much. I personally don't think that any Hashira is ever going to actually be able to take him on because of what he's capable of. But even then, what we have to worry about first is the upper. The upper rankings are obviously the next stepping stone in getting to Muzan. That's obvious from where this story's gone. All the lowers are wiped out. The final lower was just killed in the movie. And we got a glimpse at what the upper is capable of. And I just don't feel like that was in there for no reason. This show, the storytelling, everything's important for a reason. So maybe, I don't know. I think I'm just sticking on a point for so long that I don't really have much basis on, besides the comments that were made about it to Rengoku. But it's going to sit and marinate in my brain as I continue to watch the show and try and figure out if that is a true statement. Because obviously, the next people we have to deal with, like I just said, is the upper. So after this, we have to deal with the upper by becoming stronger. And will we actually be able to become strong enough to beat them all when they've been alive for centuries, becoming stronger? I don't know. This has really just put a whole perspective change on how this might end up having to be handled. And on top of that, all the irony of that would be that Tanjiro's whole mission is to turn Nezuko back into a human, but will the ultimate sacrifice himself be having to turn into a demon to do that? There's just so much racking my brain right now about that whole interaction. I don't know. The power scaling and the way that it's all done in this movie is insanely crazy, to say the least. It's very apparent, the level difference. And I'm just I'm so taken aback by what is going to happen now. There wasn't really a conclusion to this movie. It was Rengoku's dead, everybody hears about it, the master's I'm going to join you soon. And boom, done. It's there's no conclusion, and it just makes me feel so I don't even know what to describe what I'm feeling right now. It's not that I don't know if the intention is to feel like we aren't getting closure, but I don't feel like I got closure for this movie. I feel like there's still so much to do. Ah, man, I don't even know. I don't know. I guess just to like go back over my points, the animation, the storytelling, the dream aspect, the action, the camaraderie, everything about this movie was incredible. And I know that after this, I'm going to be entering the entertainment district arc, and I'm excited for that too, because just like the movie, I've heard nothing but incredible things about this preceding season of the show. Every week, all I see over YouTube for people talking about it. Obviously, I haven't watched anything and read into it, but the amount of excitement that this show brings has me excited, because I've come this far and I've realized what all the hype is about, especially after watching this movie. No wonder everybody was so pumped about this movie. And also, the sadness. I was not expecting that. I did not expect Rengoku to die. I thought this man was coming with us. I thought we just met Tanjiro's new master, and that's where the training arc was going to go for the season, is that we were going to grow with Rengoku. But no. Tanjiro's got to grow alone. Alone. You know what I mean? Like, he's not growing with Rengoku. But that's got to mean that after this, we're going to go to Rengoku's house, right? Like, we gotta go with what Rengoku just said. But I think, personally, one of the more powerful moments there at the end was Inosuke's speech. Like, I gotta say, out of everybody's character development in this show thus far, Inosuke's has been my favorite. Going from this hot-headed, insane, battle-driven person to the person he is now, you could not look at Inosuke when we met him and now and be like, that is the same person. Because he has grown so much, and in watching it happen has been insane. And having him be the person to give that speech, to give that hard-hitting talk in that moment, was something that the character development has led him to. Like, it is just one of those things that him being the person in that moment to say those things makes a world of difference. And the storytelling for the show, like I've said over and over again, just now and in previous videos, has been incredible. And I don't want to go and continue and ramble on, repeating myself over and over again. So I'm just going to wrap this up, because all I have is a million thoughts that aren't going to make sense, because I don't have them organized, so I won't continue to talk about it. But if you want to make conversation about the movie in the comments, if there's anything you want to tell me at all, if there's anything you want to talk with me about, anything that's not a spoiler that you would like to converse and break down about the movie to me that maybe I didn't understand, maybe I miss, maybe anything at all, you know, just conversate about the movie with me in the comments. I really want to talk about it. This movie was incredible, and it's got to be one of my top movies. Like, it's insanely good. Now, to really wrap this up, if you enjoyed the video, please consider dropping a like to let me know you did. And if you haven't already and you'd like to stay up to date on all my future videos, please consider subscribing, ringing that bell, and you'll be notified every single time I upload. I also have a Patreon where I post full-length reactions of all the shows I'm watching on YouTube. So if you'd like to watch the full-length version of the movie with me instead of the YouTube cut that I'm going to have to do, feel free to check out my Patreon. You will need your own legal copy of this movie to watch full-length with me, though, so keep that in mind if you do check out my Patreon to watch it full-length, or anything else that I have. You need your own legal copy. But yeah. What a movie, man. What a movie. But until next time, with the next episode of Demon Slayer, the Entertainment District Arc, which I am very excited. I hope you all have a fantastic day. Thank you for joining me on my journey through this movie. And, peace!